metal and plastic. So where's it going? Rubbish? Yep, landfill. Hi, I'm Mireille Hancock from Green Earth Kids, and I'm super excited today to be here at Holy Cross Primary, where we are implementing our program Merrifield Earth Heroes. Today, our grade 2s and 3s are going to be learning about rubbish, landfill, recycling and composting, and they are super excited. I'm going to tell you a few facts. They're very scary because they're big numbers. Australians, that's all of us, all around Australia, make 20 million tonnes of rubbish a year. That's the same as 2 million buses. Do you think we need to make that much rubbish? No, I don't think we need to either. So we need to start looking at how we can not do that.
Why do people recycle the things that are supposed to be?
Why can't they? The plastic is dirty and they don't clean it and wash it. So even though they might send it to the recycling place, it's dirty, so it has to get thrown out. So there's lots of reasons, and sometimes people are just lazy. They just don't want to. They can't be bothered. So that's not good either.
Why can't we recycle juice boxes?
That's a really good question. Juice boxes have got lots of layers. So they're not just paper, they're not just cardboard, they're not just plastic. They've got lots of different layers on them and it makes them really hard to recycle. It's the same reason that it's really hard to recycle coffee cups. There's lots of layers to that cup that have been bonded together to make it be able to carry liquid, to make it be able to have really hot stuff in it. So because of all those layers are stuck together, it's really hard to recycle. So that's a really good point because we're going to do an activity in a minute and that is something to keep in mind. And can't recycle that, that's plastic, okay? So that's rubbish, and this one, do you see how it's got plastic and metal? Where does that go? Because it's two things. Yes, rubbish. Awesome!
Sustainability is such an important part for our children. It's important that they learn the concept of being stewards and that they have a responsibility to care for the environment. And this program has really ignited a passion in them about the importance of recycling, reusing, composting, all of these little skill sets that will really provide a good scaffold for how we care of our environment.
The most fun part of today has been learning about the centre where all the recycling goes. The most fun part of today was when we played the game and we also did the activities. I liked the puzzle activity one because it was pretty fun, but we were arguing over the bins. Today I learned about recycling and always wash your jugs or glasses when you want to throw them.
There's been great engagement, great enjoyment in their voices as they sort rubbish and learn about how they can contribute to a more sustainable earth.
We're back with part 2 of Merrifield Earth Heroes, and today we're here at Gaayip Yagila Primary, where I'll be working with the grade 2s and 5/6s to learn about waste, rubbish, recycling and composting. We're also going to do one of my favourite projects, which is setting up a mixed recycling station where we can recycle all those tricky things like blister packs and bread tags. So let's get started. And I've got different sections like this in my garage. And then I go, that goes there, that goes there, that goes there. And one of the grade 6s, why are we doing this?
You can save a lot of good stuff going to landfill. Yeah.
Plastic is bad because it can go into the ocean, it can harm wildlife, and it takes a really, really long time to break down.
Our junior school has been looking into what bins our rubbish should be going into. Hopefully the year 2s will go to the preps and 5/6s and share their wealth of knowledge that they've now got and looking at sorting the correct recyclables and non-recyclables and food waste.
Basically, I'm gonna end at how you introduced the little mixed recycling station. So I'll ask the principal we can make that every classroom.
It's important to look after the planet because it's gonna be healthy and clean.
Merrifield Earth Heroes! You can be an Earth Hero too!